Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add a family member to your family in the Cozi application. So let us dive into this. Head over to the Cozi app, for example, in the web version or mobile version, log into your account and access your family settings here on the left hand side. Next guys, scroll down to the family member settings. You will see the list of family members here. So for this example family, I'm going to add another member here by clicking onto this button, enter the name or type in the name. You can assign a color from that list here, like, I don't know, let me go on this one, clicking to save. And you may go to the notification settings here. For example, sorry, if you'd like the given or invited family member to receive notifications for new or changed calendar events or reminders via email or device notifications, and so on and so forth. Click into save in the top right to add the family member to your family here. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.